Hi, Emma. Good morning. Sorry to bother you. Do you have a moment to talk?
Hi, David. Of course. I always have time for you. Please come in. It's nice to see you. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I hope I'm not interrupting anything. I wanted to ask you something, but I feel a bit nervous about it. It's a bit of a big favor.
It's no problem at all. You're not interrupting. And you can ask me anything. What's on your mind?
Well, I have a family wedding to attend next weekend. It's out of town, so I will be leaving this Friday morning and I will be coming back on Monday evening. I'm really looking forward to it, but I have a small problem.
That sounds like a fun trip. What is the problem?
It's about my cat, Leo. I need to find someone to look after him while I am away. So I was wondering, and please feel free to say no if it's not a good time, would you possibly be willing to watch him for me?
Oh, David, I would be absolutely delighted to look after Leo. That's not a big favor at all. I love cats, and I've met Leo a few times when I've been at your apartment. He is such a sweet and beautiful cat.
Really? You would do that? Oh, that is such a huge relief. Thank you so much, Emma. I was so worried about what I was going to do.
Of course, it's no trouble at all. I'm home most of the weekend anyway, so it works out perfectly. So, you said you will be gone from Friday morning until Monday evening?
Yes, that's right. So it would be 3 nights. I just need someone to pop in to check on him, feed him, and give him a little bit of attention.
I can definitely do that. Now, tell me a little bit about his routine. Is he an indoor cat or does he go outside as well?
He is strictly an indoor cat. He has never been outside, so it is very important to make sure the doors and windows are kept closed.
And is he generally friendly with new people or is he very shy?
Thank you again, Emma. This means so much to me. I have written down all the instructions for you, but let me explain the most important parts now. The first thing, of course, is his food.
Okay, I'm listening. What does Leo eat and what is his feeding schedule?
He eats a mix of dry food and wet food. For his breakfast in the morning, he gets dry food. I keep the big bag of dry food in the pantry next to the kitchen.
And how much dry food should I give him?
I have a special measuring cup that I use. It is a small red plastic cup, and I will leave it right on top of the food bag so it's easy to find. You just need to give him one level scoop of that cup in the morning.
One red scoop of dry food in the morning. Got it. What about in the evening?
In the evening, he gets his favorite wet food. It comes in small, single-serving pouches. I will leave enough pouches for the weekend on the kitchen counter. You just need to open one pouch and put it in his bowl. And the most important thing is his water. He has a water bowl next to his food bowl. Please make sure you change the water and give him fresh water every single day. The second main task is, of course, the litter box. I know it's not the most pleasant job, so I really appreciate you being willing to handle it.
It's really not a problem, David. It's part of being a responsible pet owner. Every cat needs a clean litter box. Where do you keep it?
His litter box is in the small laundry room. just off the kitchen. It's tucked away in the corner. I will clean it completely before I leave on Friday, so it will be fresh for your first visit.
Okay. And what is the daily routine for it?
I just scoop it once a day. This keeps it clean and fresh for him. The litter scoop is hanging on a small hook on the wall right next to the box. I also have some small plastic bags there for you to use.
So I just scoop the clumps into one of those bags? What should I do with the bag after that?
You can just tie the bag up tightly and then throw it in the main trash can, which is under the kitchen sink. I will also leave the large bag of fresh cat litter in the laundry room, just in case you need to add a little bit more, but you probably won't need to for just a few days.
So, that covers the essentials of food and the litter box. The other part is just interacting with him.
I am looking forward to that part. Tell me a little bit about Leo's personality. What does he like to do? Is he very playful?
He is, but he can be a little bit shy when he first meets someone new. So when you first come in, he might hide under the sofa for a few minutes. The best thing to do is to just ignore him at first. Put the food down and then just sit quietly on the sofa.
So, I should let him come to me when he is ready.
Exactly. His curiosity will eventually win. He will come out to investigate. Once he feels comfortable, he is very affectionate and friendly. He absolutely loves to be petted.
Does he have a favorite spot to be scratched?
He loves being scratched gently behind his ears and under his chin. He will purr very loudly when you do that. But one warning, he does not like his belly being touched. If you try to pet his belly, he might try to gently scratch you.
That's a very important piece of information. No belly rubs. Got it. Does he has any favorite toys if I want to play with him?
Yes, his absolute favorite toy is the feather wand. It's a stick with feathers on the end. I will leave it on the coffee table. He also loves his little toy mouse. He loves to chase it if you throw it for him.
Now, just a few quick notes on health and safety. I want to make sure you have all the information you need so you don't have to worry about anything.
Of course. Is there anything I should know about his health? Does he take any medicine or have any allergies?
No, thankfully, he is a very healthy cat. He doesn't have any current medical conditions or allergies, and he is up to date on all of his vaccinations, so you don't need to worry about giving him any medication.
That's good to hear. It makes things much simpler.
The main safety rule, which I mentioned before, is just to be very careful about keeping the doors and windows closed. As an indoor cat, he is not used to the dangers of the outside world, like cars. So please just double-check the front door is closed properly when you come in and when you leave.
I will be extremely careful about that, I promise. Your home will be like a fortress. No escapes.
Thank you. I will also leave his cat carrier out, just so you know where it is. It's in the bottom of the hall closet. It is very, very unlikely that you will need it, but I think it's always best to be prepared for any situation.
I agree. It's always good to be prepared. And that brings me to another question. What should I do in the unlikely event of an emergency? What if Leo seems unwell or hurts himself somehow?
That is a very responsible question. I have prepared a small information sheet for you with all the emergency contact details. I will leave it on the kitchen counter where you can see it easily.
That is so organized of you. What information is on the sheet?
It has my personal cell phone number at the top, of course. It also has the name and the phone number of the hotel where I will be staying, just in case you can't reach my cell phone for some reason.
Okay, your number and the hotel number. That's great.
And most importantly, it has the name, address, and the 24-hour emergency phone number for my veterinarian. Her name is Dr. Evans, and she is wonderful. The clinic is only about a 10-minute drive from here.
That is the most important number of all. It gives me peace of mind to know I have a trusted contact if something goes wrong.
Yes, and they have all of Leo's records on file, so they know him well. But honestly, Emma, he is a very calm cat. I am sure you will have no problems at all.
I am sure you are right. It sounds like you have thought of everything. So, we have covered food, the litter box, his personality, and what to do in an emergency. The last practical question I have is about getting into your apartment.
Of course. I have a spare key for you right here. I had it made last week.
Thank you. Is it just this one key for the front door?
Yes, that is the only key you will need. It unlocks both the doorknob and the deadbolt. The lock can sometimes be a little bit tricky. You have to pull the door towards you just a tiny bit when you turn the key. Let me show you how it works before I go.
That would be helpful. And in terms of visiting times, is there a specific time of day that is best for me to come over?
Not at all. Please just come whenever is most convenient for your own schedule. I would suggest maybe once in the morning for his breakfast and once in the evening for his dinner. But the exact time does not matter. Leo will just be happy to see you. I really can't thank you enough, Emma. Knowing that Leo will be here, safe in his own home, with someone I trust looking after him, is a huge weight off my mind. It means I will be able to go on my trip and relax completely.
It is honestly my pleasure. I am looking forward to spending some time with him. It will be nice to have a furry companion for a few days.
You are too kind. Now, I would like to pay you for your time. Please, let me know what a fair price would be.
Oh no, David. Absolutely not. I will not accept any payment. You are my friend and my neighbor. This is just a small favor. Please don't worry about that at all.
Are you sure? It is a big responsibility. I feel like I should give you something.
I am absolutely sure. The only payment I will accept is getting to play with Leo. But if you really insist, you can bring me back a small souvenir from your trip. A little postcard or a magnet would be lovely.
A souvenir is the least I can do. I will find something wonderful for you. Okay, I think I have covered everything on my list.
I think so too. Let me just quickly summarize the main tasks to make sure I have everything correct in my head. I should come over twice a day. In the morning, I give Leo 1 scoop of dry food and fresh water. In the evening, I give him 1 pouch of wet food and check his water again.
That's perfect.
Then, once a day, I need to scoop the litter box and put the waste in the main trash.
And the most important rules are to make sure all the doors stay closed and no petting the belly.
You have remembered everything perfectly. You are going to be a fantastic cat sitter. Leo is very lucky to have you.
We are going to have a great time together. Don't you worry about a thing. And please, don't hesitate to send me a text message while you're away if you want to know how he is doing.
I might just do that. And if you have a moment, I would love it if you sent me a picture of him, but no pressure at all. Thank you one more time, Emma. You've been a lifesaver.